Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. On here, I share trade setups and opportunities that you might have missed from the previous week. The goal is simple, to help you see that the market offers plenty of valid trades every single week. You just need the patience to wait for them and the discipline to execute when they appear. Trading is not about catching every move. It is about mastering your edge and staying consistent. There will be losses along the way because that is part of the game. But if you keep showing up and following the process, you will come out ahead over the long run. With that said, let me show you what trade opportunities were available for you to take on Tuesday, the 14th of October, 2025. Let's start off with the US30. As soon as the stock market opened, price rushed to take out a key level, creating that initial liquidity grab we often look for. This move helps us identify where smart money is likely positioning for the next directional leg. Following that, at 10 a.m., we had a clean long trade confirmation, targeting a 1 to 2 risk to reward. As the Intraday Liquidity Map dictates, the take profit would have been hit at 11:50 a.m. the same day. A very clean setup that required minimal effort to execute. Even better, it played out in less than 2 hours, which is exactly what we love to see. Fast, high-quality trades that align perfectly with the morning session dynamics. When you catch these setups, it is important not to get greedy. Stick to your target, take your profits, and move on. Consistency over excitement. That is what keeps you in the game long-term. Now, let's move on to the US100. Here, similarly to the US30, we had a long trade opportunity confirmed at 10 a.m., right after a key level was swept again at the 9:30 a.m. open. This pattern shows up a lot during the New York Open. That quick sweep followed by a strong reversal gives you the confirmation you need to act. This long trade hit take profit in the early afternoon at around 12:30 p.m., giving us the 2 are what targeted. Notice how both US30 and US100 followed the same structure. Liquidity grab, confirmation, then clean move to target. When multiple indices align like this, it is often a sign that the move has strength behind it. Before we continue, if you are still watching and getting value from this video, do me a massive favor and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and keeps this content coming your way. And finally, let's look at the US500. On this trading day, the US500 aligned perfectly with both the US30 and US100, giving us a long trade opportunity as well. Following the early sweep of a key price level, it confirmed a long entry at 9:55 a.m. This trade also closed in profit, yielding 2 are the same day, in the late morning around 11:45 a.m. Another very clear and clean setup that required little effort to execute. That is the beauty of sticking to the Intraday Liquidity Map. You know exactly what you are waiting for, and when it shows up, you just act. So, let's summarize the performance for the day. We had one long trade available on each index, US30, US100, and US500, giving us a total of 3 trades. All 3 hit take profit, leaving us with a combined result of plus 6R. On a 100K account, risking 1% per trade, that is a profit of $6,000. After a trading day like this, you can close your charts, withdraw your money, and take the rest of the month off. These are the days that we live for. They will not all look like this. There will be red days and losing streaks, but when you stay patient, disciplined, and consistent, the green days make up for all of it. That is what trading really is. Waiting for your edge, executing it without hesitation, and letting time and probability do the heavy lifting. Let me know in the comments if you took any of these trades, or if you spotted something interesting that I might have missed. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay disciplined. Follow the Intraday Liquidity Map, execute it without emotions, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.